LearnUp TV, where learning is a joyful adventure. I see a cat. Meow. The sun is shining. A cow eating grass. The night is dark. I am ready to sleep. The snow is cold. Ooh, the tree is tall. Ooh, the sun is hot. I read a book. I run fast. Birds are flying. It's fun watching birds flying. I like flowers. He is a boy. Yeah, I eat yummy fruits. Fruits are so yummy. I play with toys. The sky is blue. The grass is green. My name is John. Birds sing songs.